IPBES is a new intergovernmental platform to deal with the gap between science and policymaking in matters related to biodiversity and ecosystem services. It's based partially in the structure and the experience of IPCC, but it differs from IPCC because it has four main roles. One is assessment, similar to IPCC, but also knowledge generation, capacity building, that will be a very important part of IPBES, and also how to produce synthesis and make the connection with policymakers. This is the first meeting since IPBES has been launched and officially endorsed by UN, and where you have the scientific community or representatives of the scientific community putting together ideas of what we expect from IPBES in terms of how to bring the best science available into policy decisions about biodiversity conservation, sustainable use, ecosystem services, and how those actions may benefit human beings. There are several meetings occurring. I've just came from a meeting in Norway. There's another one that is happening in Japan next month, where different groups or stakeholders involved in the subjects under IPBES are discussing to bring ideas for the main meeting or the first plenary meeting of IPBES that's going to happen next October in Nairobi. This first meeting will set the structure and start to establish how IPBES will actually be working for the next 4 or 5 years until it's fully established.